Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another very quick video, guys. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and this time I'll be showing you how you can change the keyboard. Okay, so there's two ways to do this. I'll show you the easiest way first. So just open up the keyboard, and if you look down here in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a small tiny keyboard icon. Select it, and from here you can choose your input method. So you can switch from the default Samsung keyboard to the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard, Google Voice Typing, or the Google keyboard, also known as Gboard. So just select the one you want. And as you can see, it's now switched to Gboard, which is the Google keyboard. And if you want to switch back, you simply switch back like that. It's that easy. So just select the one you want. And if you ever need to switch back, you switch back just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second way to do it. Takes a bit more time. Pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and scroll all the way down to General Management. And here you will see Keyboard List and Default Keyboard. And from here, you can switch to Gboard or the Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Okay, guys, so you won't have Gboard installed. You have to download it and install it from the Google Play Store and get it set up for it to show up on the list. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link to my simple video tutorial in the description down below, and you can install Gboard. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you change the keyboard on the S23 Ultra. Thanks for watching. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one, guys. Deuces.